What's poppin', my people? This is your girl Vicky Baby Loki, looking like a Miriam Maka right now. But look at this, look at my look, look at this. I slayed this wig like a pro, okay? And if you want to know how to slay your frontal lace wig like a pro, then this video is for beginners. Just stay tuned, stay tuned. Let's get into this, guys. Let's get into this. I'm hyped up. Okay, so this is the hair I will be working with. It's a kinky coily hair from Authentic. Go check them out, guys. They have amazing hair, and I bleached back this hair myself. If you want to know how to do that, please comment down below. So I'll advise you pin your hair like this, that way you can see what you're doing. So I'm going to go in with my sleek stick. It's a wax stick, and then my hot comb. This way I see whether or not I still need to pluck my hair, which I don't. Authentic has it covered. Use my leave-in treatment, water, and this amazing brush to comb out the curls in that hair. Like you're going to see these curls. Okay, we're watching, we'll see it now. This brush is so good because it doesn't really break hair. Look at this, it doesn't really do a lot of breaking. The brush is too good. I bought it by mistake, but I'm glad I did. So I'll add more water because I want to really comb out this coils. You guys are going to see this coils, you'll be amazed. Stay tuned and enjoy the music. I want to use my last card. Okay, time for revealing. Take a look at those curls. Look at it. Looks like Indomie. Very delicious. Anyway, let's just start slaying this wig on my hair. So I'm going to go in with my nude wig cap, and I'll just drag it to my face. Then I'm going to cut some holes. Some people will say it's bore some holes, you know what I mean? So I'm going to cut out some holes, very small hole, and then I'm going to pull out my ear from those holes. So that's what you do, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is use my olive oil super hold wig grip gel. I'm going to use this helps me. In fact, this grip gel is really good. No advertisement here, nobody's paying me nothing, video is not sponsored, nothing. Okay, so I'm just telling you the whole truth and nothing but the truth. It's so good. And I'm going to go in with the olive oil spray too. It's a grip spray as well. This way it gives me the ultimate hold. And after using the spray, next thing I'm going to do is to dry my hair. I look like a Barbie already. Okay, no. Next, after drying, I'm going to use my small scissors to just, cut the wig cap. I really don't know how to phrase it, pardon me, but then I'm about to cut the wig cap, the excess, and then I'm going to cut it towards my hairline. So I'm going to cut it portion by portion, this side first, then the other side. And as you can see, I'm just cutting it in a straight line first. Later on, after cutting this other portion, then I'm going to take my time to cut out the bits and pieces to the exact shape of the hairline I want, just like that, just like what I am doing. So guys, no rush, just take your time if you want to do this, and watch my video over and over again if you need to really see what I am doing. Okay, and if you need help in slaying that wig, because you're going to slay that wig. Okay. So now that I'm done doing this, I'm going to use my glue. I am using a glue. You can just use your either wig grip gel or the spray, but I'm using a glue because I'm going to wear this wig on my head to the next day, because I want to use it for another YouTube video, which I will post either before or after this video. So now that we are done applying the glue, I like to let mine air dry. You can choose to just, if you're in a hurry, just blow dry it so that it will dry fast. And then when I'm done, I like to clean with alcohol. This helps me remove the excess glue. Now it is time to slay our wig. Look at that wig, guys. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is to use my pin to just hold that hair so that it stays in place and I can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to repeat this on the other side. Guys, did you know this was guys, do you know this is my second voiceover on my YouTube video? What do you think? Am I doing a good job? If I am, please give me a like button so that I know I am doing well. This voiceover thing is not easy at all. I had to take a bottle of Seagrams to really sit down and see and hear, and okay, too much phrases. let's get back to this video. As you can see, I am placing it exactly where I want it to be. Notice that my lace is just a little bit more forward than the hairline, and this other side I didn't do it well, so I'm going to remove it and adjust it. As you can see, that glue is there, so I'll adjust it to the style I want and then lay that wig. So notice that the lace is a little bit in front of my hair. I'm going to use the authentic hairline. I fold mine in two for the first part and then tie it. Now I'm just going to wait for that lace to melt while I style my hair. So I like to part mine to the side, especially because it's a coily hair. I want, you know, so that if it comes to my face when the breeze is out there, I'm in love. Yeah, I can't believe I bleached this hair myself. I know, I feel that way too. Let me know if you would like to see how I bleach part my hair. I play with hair a lot. That's how I learned to do all of this, okay? And of course from watching YouTube videos. So I'm just going to brush that hair again, just so the coils are out, and next I'll pack it so I can see what I am doing, because I'm about to cut that lace after being melted. Okay, I think by now my lace should be a bit melted, so next thing I'm going to do is remove the hair tie so we can see what I did. And look at that. Let me zoom it. It looks amazing, guys. Look at this. I tried. I did so well. So next thing I'm going to do is use my small scissors again, because I like control, and just cut out the excess lace, you know, the one I left in intentionally so that I can get this look. So I'm so sorry, guys, you know, I should have done this as they come, but normally I just like to cut my lace to where it's easy for me to just get the style I want and things like that. So people that like to style their hair will know what I mean. So, you know, I'm so sorry I did that. Next time I will make an unboxing video and also a video of me styling my hair as it come, you know, with that amount of lace in front. So I want you to notice that the excess lace I am cutting out is not glued to my skin, and this is because when I applied my glue, I applied it precisely to the hairline I wanted. So now as I cut that excess lace, you see the difference it makes. So I'm glad I'm cutting out this ear now, and I'm just cutting it out. Okay, I don't know what to say, but you see what I'm doing, right? After cutting, next thing I like to do is go in with my olive oil spray again. This will help with the maximum melting, okay? I just need to spray this and tie that authentic hair tie on my head, and this lace is about to melt. Stay tuned. I'm using a hair dryer because I can't wait anymore, guys. I'm taking a lot of time making this hair, so I'm just using a hair dryer for quick dry. And when I remove this wig, you will not believe it. Look at this, guys. I killed it. I slayed it. Hi, I finished rock. Fine babe, like sociology would say. Okay, after this, next thing I want to do is go in to remove some baby hair. This will help your hair look more natural, okay? Like, even if you don't want to do baby hair, even if you're not big on baby hair, I'm not big on baby hair, okay? I just like my hair looking natural. When you remove this amount of hair and you cut it that way, even if you're combing it backwards like I'm going to do and just leave some out, the hair looks more natural. Wait for the final look. Okay, before the final look, I forgot to include I'm going to use hot comb just so my hair is relaxed. You don't have to do this. As you can see, I almost hurt myself. Instead of that, you can honestly just tie your hair tie, like as you see I'm doing with authentic hair tie on my head, just in between the main hair and the baby hair, and leave it for some seconds. Next, I'm cutting my baby hair, and I want to apologize to you guys in advance. I received the call and, you know, I went back to recording, but I wasn't actually recording. I thought I was. So I used hedge control to style my. Some people use mousse, some people use got to be gel or this olive oil gel, but I used edge control. And I'm going to finish up with this spray. It's a keratin spray It's a keratin finishing spray. What did I just say? It's so good. So do not forget to subscribe to your girl's channel and give me a like button.